and all my dear friends. Today's assembly is being conducted by the students of Class 6C and the theme of our assembly is Taj Mahotsav.
Join your hands and close your eyes. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down.
Thought of the day. A nation's culture resides in the heart and in the soul of its people. I repeat my thought. A nation's culture resides in the heart and in the soul of its people.
Word of the day, heritage. Heritage, the traditional qualities and culture of a country that have existed for a long time. Sentence. He was proud of his Italian heritage, but he had never visited the country.
Taj Mahotsav, celebrated every year with enthusiasm in Agra. Taj Mahotsav is a 10 days carnival organized by the Tourism Ministry of Uttar Pradesh. It aims at excelling tourism of India for domestic as well as international tourists.
Various artisans from different states set their stall at the venue. Guests could pick the exquisite works of art from handmade souvenirs to other artifacts. Various artisans from different states set their stalls at the venue. Guests could pick one exquisite work of art from handmade souvenirs to other artifacts. Foodies will be spoiled with plethora of cuisines from local Agra food to cuisines of a different state under one roof.
Taj Mahotsav celebration came into consideration during its inception in 1992. Since then and now, guests across the world visit every year to experience and get familiar with intriguing art, vibrant dance, unique craft, and a food tour of India all under one roof.
I promise that I will take precaution to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will also wear mask, maintain distance of 2 meters and wash my hands with soap regularly. Together we can fight coronavirus.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे